Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Goddess Guidance 333, and this is your singles love reading. We're going to have a look at why you are single, if there's anything you need to work on, and some of you it's in regards to you might be choosing people for their looks, okay, some of you, and it's more about their personality, they're saying. Okay, so maybe we've got the eye candy here, beautiful people around you, but they're not the one. And there's money as well for some of you, and you comparing yourself. I got that. It could be that you also have some insecurities about yourself. Maybe you feel like you're not good enough, or you're not young enough, you're not beautiful enough, and you compare yourself to others, or you comparing new people to somebody that you used to date as well. Okay, take what resonates. This is just a deep dive into the things that it's for reflection only, and we're going to see who's coming up for you after this reflection. I use this deck to give you some clues about what you need to think about, and maybe it could also be the person that you are dealing with, that they have these comparisons going on, and also they may like to look outside relationships because they're too focused on the outer beauty in people. So excuses, you have so many excuses that it never works out. Many reasons and excuses, okay? Reasons you always think about, oh yes, there must be something here that is not gonna work out between me and this person, be it our age, my looks or their looks, or they are also always looking outside relationships, or you feel like that they do, and it drives you to compare yourself to other females or other males, however this resonates with you. So see a new person for who they are truly. Even is talking about for you to also relax when you meet someone new, to relax and to don't overthink what could go wrong, okay? Because there's many things that could come up, but things can be worked on. Yeah, I feel like you've healed enough right now, okay? You've healed, and collective, you have the power to also, tell yourself and quiet that ego here, because it's all about the ego sometimes in relationships. Like, oh, those excuses are because the ego is telling you, are you going to suffer? They're going to break your heart. They're going to leave you, maybe take all your money, or all of these things. Okay, so this is the ego, and it's like the ego doesn't like to lose. We've got victory reversed. Also, I see somebody going through some type of surgery and changing their looks, especially around the eyes as well. Okay, I don't know if this is like just minimal. It might not even be surgery. It could be just eyelashes, eyebrows, getting them done. Some of you, this is confirmation for some. And also comparing yourself, and with the High Priestess in the reverse. It's like, yeah, it's the disconnect with the power that's within you. Okay, so you feeling like, if you feel whole and if you feel like you know yourself, you don't need to compare yourself to others. Okay, for some of you, I'm getting that you could also be watching tarot readings for like their ex or about their ex. So that's going to create confusion, or you're trying to find things out that, even, yeah, just trying to find things out about their past. And it's like, it's telling you to focus on the now, and going towards the future and happy without all of these things, because if you keep searching, you're going to find something that's going to upset you. Okay, yeah, we've got the Page of Wands. So you're going to meet somebody new, and you could start as just like a flirtatious kind of energy here, someone very, very attractive. And I'm seeing that you definitely had relationships with like, or younger people than younger, or you felt like they were quite immature. They were just looking for one thing, and you could have found out things about them that, maybe even children, maybe they have children or they have children young. Yeah, the Empress here. Somebody could be also, just really healing and seeing their value now, okay, with the Empress here. So this could really be you. And obviously, the Empress is not going to have a relationship with a page. But I do see somebody that is really attracted to you. If you're single, yes, this person is very attracted to you. They want to flirt with you, but they do have that type of mentality, okay? That they really, when they see somebody, they're good looking and attractive like you, they want to sleep with them. So I don't think that you're holding back. And if you're not holding back, you should. This is like, it doesn't mean that this person is someone that will disappoint you, but definitely here is talking about you pulling back your energy. This could be a Pisces, Leo, Sag, or Aries. Also, you want to find out if they have somebody else, because I do see that this is what maybe you already know, but don't compare yourself to the other person. I do see that you're not going to in this next relationship, or when you meet somebody new. This person, yeah, you're going to be like very detached. So I see you being detached. I see you ready for a new beginning, but still not taking any risks. And that's wise. That's very wise of you. Okay, it's taking it slowly. Yeah, take it slow. And yeah, you're definitely going to see that this new relationship will grow. You will see that this person, even though they could be quite reckless and they like their freedom, they like to, beautiful females or males, whoever you're dealing with. So they do find that this, the way you're going to treat this relationship with them, be it just a friendship, because I do see a friendship, they're going to value you, and this is someone that's going to want to be loyal to you, okay? It's because of how you're going to carry yourself in this relationship. Okay. Yeah, 9 of Wands. But it's telling you don't give up. Don't give up, because I do feel like you tend to give up on people very quickly, and they could have children from somebody else, or there could be a third party, but it's telling you for you not to give up, and don't compare yourself to the exes, or even if they still like even going to spy on their friends or their exes, okay, or this particular ex. Don't do that. Don't. It's just not going to bring anything positive moving forward here. The only way you're going to be able to really have a stable relationship, Knight of Pentacles, with this person, is if you stop the excuses. Don't stop finding reasons that this is not going to work out. Stop comparing yourself, and also stop judging how you look, and you know that this person may like, you know, beautiful people to look at them, or go out. They probably go out a lot, or they have friends that are very good looking, or they have the ex that's very good looking, or the exes are good looking. You know, you don't need to compare yourself to them. And I feel like this person is going to be loyal to you. There is going to be a lot of gossip, because this particular person is quite over, you know, they have a big social life, and also they have other people that would like to be taken seriously, like you. They are taking you serious. Okay, you taking you seriously. Okay, they are taking you seriously, I feel, already, because with this Empress here, it doesn't matter how many people they have dated and how many beautiful women or men around them. You are different. You are definitely different. Nostalgia, memories, missing you, not feeling enough. You see, when there is when there's distance here, you tend to feel left out in the cold, abandoned. You could have also, some of you, abandonment issues, which you need to heal, because this is your feminine wounds, okay? But this is someone that also, they feel when you are, you know, you two are apart, they feel the loss. They feel that, you know, they need you nurturing them. They need your creativity. They love your smile. They love your energy. You're so feminine and intuitive. So this person, you have a past life with them, okay? And they remember it. Something here very special between you two. It's like they've known you before, even if this could be someone that you never dated yet, or just met briefly. It's like love at first sight. It's a sign. Yeah. It's a sign that you're the one. That's what it is. It's a sign that you're the one. That's what they're getting, because they miss you and they don't know why. Why do I miss this person? Why do I miss? Yeah, I feel like there's something so vulnerable about you as well that keeps them on their toes. Okay, this person loves when you're vulnerable, when you they just love your story. They love everything about you. So one more. Contemplation. So this person could be still torn between you and somebody else, or, you know, this could be someone you met and they were already in a relationship, and they had a really hard time making their mind up. But I see that they miss you a lot. This could be someone you dated in the past, but was just a fling, didn't really go into any commitment, and they feel the loss. This could be your divine masculine as well. Yeah, letting go. Endings, transformation, and power. So that's what's going to happen. They're going to let go of whoever they were with, okay? And also negative outlook and anxiety towards this relationship could really end it. So you need to make up your mind as well, okay? Collective. You need to make up your mind, because this is also a message for you to be able to let go of your past, of these abandonment issues that came with bad relationships. And yeah, you have the power to change your whole love life. And it's now. I feel like you're ready now. So I do hope this helps. All the best with everything. If you'd like to book a reading, thegoddessguidance.co.uk or .com. Everything is in the description below this video. And I do have, the shop is not connected here, but it's yeah, everything is on my website. Everything underneath, you also see the schedule for the readings that are coming up. I hope this helps. Become a member of this channel if you'd like to watch the reading that I'm going to put out tomorrow. It's how they feel about you, all the details about their feelings, obstacles, intimacy, outcome, and it will be a collective reading as well. And become a member of the channel. Thank you so much. All the best with everything. Like, share, subscribe. I really appreciate you all. Take care. Bye-bye.